Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Cash App on your iPhone and go to the Cash Card section. If you don't already have a Cash App card, you'll need to order one first. Cash App will mail you a physical card, and once you receive it, activate the card in the app. After your Cash App card has been activated, return to the Cash Card section and tap Add Card to Apple Pay. Then follow the on-screen instructions to add your Cash App card to your Apple Wallet. Once the setup is complete, your Cash App card will appear in the Apple Wallet app. Make sure the card is unlocked and ready to use. Now, whenever you want to pay using Apple Pay, simply double press the side button on your iPhone. Select your Cash App card and hold your phone near the payment terminal. The payment will be deducted directly from your Cash App balance. So, you don't actually transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. Instead, you add your Cash App card to Apple Pay, and Apple Pay uses your Cash App balance whenever you make a purchase. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.